My name's Dave Calder. I'm the site manager for Solenis at Bradford over at Low. We manufacture products which are mainly used by our customers in the paper and water treatment industries. We employ about 600 people at Low, and that includes something like about 30 apprentices and interns, so we do bring in young people every year. So why would somebody want to work with Solenis? I think, well, first of all, we offer competitive salaries. I think more than that, we're in a growing business, but we've actually got a whole range of jobs, and we need a whole range of skills and technology to run our plants and to produce the high quality products that we do. But also, I think what's really important is we really work as teams to look for solutions and help to find problems and continuously improve these processes and products on the site. We've got a great team of people on the site. We've got a lot of people with a lot of experience in technology and engineering and production, the obvious places for a manufacturer, but actually we've also got great people in other areas such as logistics, procurement, HR, controlling, communications. So we employ a wide range of people and a wide range of skills. So I'm sure there's something that's of interest to everybody in our factory. Solenis is a global producer and a global solutions provider to the water and paper industries. We employ about 600 people in the Bradford site, and we are a global producer. We produce state-of-the-art products, and actually we export 84% of everything we make on the site. We have a good track record in Bradford. We've been on the site for 60 years, and over that time we've built the business, we've built the skills, we've brought in people. We have a huge experience of skills for our industry, and we want to keep that going, and we want to be using our skills and technology and the teamwork on the site to help to provide solutions for the future. So as well as being on the site for 60 years, we still want to be on the site in 60 years' time as well.